everybody, my name is Marla Meridith. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a really easy sun-dried tomato pasta salad. It's so delicious, super light, great for the family, or if you're going to do some summer entertaining. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications with that little bell sign so you don't miss a video. I know that we're all looking for some healthier recipes this time of year, and this pasta salad definitely fits the bill for that. We're tossing the pasta with sun-dried tomatoes, Kalamata olives, baby spinach, bell pepper, Parmesan cheese, all tossed up in a light champagne vinaigrette. Let's get started.